Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off auto rotate on iPhone. So on older iPhone, to turn off auto rotation is quite simple without stress, because for you to be able to turn it off, you just have to pull down the notification button or the notification bar on your iPhone. So for you to be able to pull it down, you just have to drag from the top, drag through the right side at the top of your phone. Just drag it down, then you have a notification center. Then you notice an icon with a circle padlock. So once you tap on it, it means you've turned up the auto lock, which is the orientation button. On iPhone it is called orientation. So once you tap on the button, it means that you've turned it off. Then when you tap on it again, it means that it is on. So these are the two ways at which you can just simply turn it on and turn it off. And on the other version, which is iPhone 16, you can just quickly long press on this. If this is not added to the notification button, the notification bar, you can just long click and add to it. Then from there you can simply turn it on and turn it off. And that is how to turn off auto rotation or orientation button on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.